What's up, y'all? All right, before we get started in today's topic, I just want to take a little bit to apologize that this video that I'm putting out for you right now was delayed a couple of months, moving around from state to state. Life has just got kind of busy from the timing for when I originally filmed this video and from when I wanted to put a conclusion and an end on it, but now we're just now kind of getting to it. But super excited to show you guys this video. I was really looking forward to this myself, and I think you're going to enjoy this one a lot. So we're going to get to the original footage that I put out for you and enjoy. What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. I got some exciting news for you today. Right now, I am on the way to the shop. Running just a little bit late, but it's all good. It's all good. You know, it's all going to get done anyways. But we're doing it. I got the CARVEN exhaust right here. The 5-inch black tips. Going to have these welded on. And going to be doing a rear resonator delete. So we're gonna have nothing but just the cats on this car. I always have had the mid muffler delete done on here for over a year, and I've loved it, but now with doing this, I just kind of want a full, complete done package with it. As you can see, I got the tips still rolling around here. Maybe I should put a seatbelt around them. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna get done today. All right, y'all, we're at the shop right now. Mario's Mufflers over here in Salinas. Gonna take a little bit longer than I was expecting. Gonna be about 45 minutes or so. I think this guy's getting a straight pipe done on his Eco Mustang or whatever it is. But soon we'll have the car up and ready to go and cutting, and I'll show you how that all looks and sounds from underneath. All right, here we go. Getting her on up there. So these right here, gonna get rid of these. Gonna replace these. Replace them with these. There we go. Got these little things out of here. Give a little bit of measurement. Oh yeah, by the way, that looks a lot more. All right, look at that. That is done. That looks mean. Oh my goodness, so much better than stock. I should have done this way earlier. Oh, that is nice. Geez, now I need some wider tires on there. A hat. But that looks good. I love it. There we go. Very nice and deep. Look how deep that is. Let's go right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Way louder. Way louder. Damn, that's normal mode now? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Alright, y'all, not gonna lie. The moment I kind of wanted to get on and go through a little underpass, a cop pulled up right behind me and I got really nervous for a second. I was like, oh no, I just got my rear resonators off. Please do not turn me around to go do it all over again. But we're good. We're good now. Oh man, I'm super happy I finally got this done. And with these tips look mean and aggressive. Super happy. Super happy with all of this. So, highway driving now with the CARVEN exhaust tips and the full straight pipe. No drone, barely any drone. If not, there's maybe just the same amount as before. When you get into it just a little bit, sounds a bit more throaty, I would say. Definitely sounds a bit more throaty on the pulls. But cruising wise, sounds a little bit more poppy. Just definitely going to test it out around more so a normal mode versus the sport, because that's what I wanted to do with getting rid of the rear resonators, was to get it a little bit more poppy and aggressive sounding without having to need to be in sport mode to be more of an animal. And so far it's definitely meeting that expectation for sure. Now, for those of you that have stayed all the way up here to now and have enjoyed what you've been hearing and what you've been seeing. So what are our thoughts after just a couple months of having it? One of the best upgrades I could probably have thought about, honestly. Sound got even deeper than it was originally, which is the mid-muffler delete. With the mid-muffler delete, it always sounded nice and throaty, but there was a few bits of it that were kind of high-pitched, maybe a little extra raspy. With the full straight pipe and the 5-inch tips, it's really deep. Really deep, really deep, and super throaty, and I like it even more. I like it a lot more than the just having the mid-muffler delete alone. And with these 5-inch tips, there's barely any drone on them. Barely any drone, and that is something I did not really expect. I thought, you know, I was going to take a risk and have it be quite an unpleasant ride at times. I'm super happy to say that that's not the case. They're very minimal drone. It's really awesome. It's really cool, and I recommend it to everybody out there that has a charger that wants to get these 5-inch CARVEN exhaust tips. They are amazing. So anyways, those are my final thoughts. That's the long-term review, I would say, with the full straight pipe and the CARVEN exhaust tips. You guys have yourself a good one.